Namaste friends, my name is Chetan. Welcome back to Easy Learning.
Hi friends, Sanvi here. Today we are going to prepare something special and unique. The unique thing is today we are going to prepare colocasia leaf rolls. There are many names to it like taro leaf rolls, vadi and pathrode. So guys, come on, join us. Let's start making our unique rolls. So guys, we are finally done making our taro leaf rolls. Now, this is our village style, so I'm feeling to taste it. Wow, these taro leaf rolls are very crunchy, crispy and tasty. I love these kind of taro leaf rolls. And friends, do you know you can use these taro leaf rolls as a side dish or eat with them with curd rice also. Guys, please try this and comment us about this recipe. Thank you.
Thank you.